Right, so today we're going to be taking out all the old toilet unit and replacing that with one of these compost separator units, whatever they dry units. Put it in the box. That's all got to go in there. There's not much room to do any video, so I'll just have to do little updates as I go along. Right, let's get that started then. Right, I got all that out now into there. Now I've got to do sort all this piping out, wires and floor out. So I'll see you in a bit. Right, I've got the baseboard in. Right, looking at the height of that, looks like I'm going to have to lose a shelf, but that won't matter if I have to do that. Trying to work out where that's going to go. So I think that shelf may have to go, but it's only the chemicals in the top shelf, so I think move up there, I think. Right, so I think what I need to do now is get some measurements for the height of it and get all that sorted. Right, I've got all the box made. This is the basic framework. So that holds this. And that looks like that. That's not too bad. Well, be a bit further forward. Right, we've got to put a fan in here, so I'm going to go and 3D print a fan holder to put in there. I've got the wiring already down there, ready for it. Right, so I think I'll go and do that next. Right, there's two of the brackets I made, and then I made that extra one just to go on the bottom. That should just fit in there. Fits in there. And then that pipe fits in there. Which then we've got to get that up and then probably make another, print something else to go up there for that pipe to go into, of a 90-degree across the top. So first things first, I'm going to try now and get this in here somewhere. So it looks like I'm going to have to take some of my shelves apart. Right, so that's what I'm doing now. I've got all the pipe in, all up to the top. Got the bend here. Now I've just got to go and 3D print a bracket to go on there, which will accept the pipe, and that will be all sealed to the outside then. So I'm going to go do that. Right, got my 3D printer piece in there. That's all fastened in now. Pipe's all fastened in. Got my new fan in. It's all running. And then I've got that going down into a tank underneath there. So that's all sorted. Just got to get a bag in there. Right, now we've got to just tidy it all up. I've got the wood stain on the side panels. Just waiting for them to dry, and I can get some this yacht varnish on there. Give it a good strong coat over the top, and then we can get these put in the van. Right, just got to wait for these to dry then. I got the two panels in, and I'll put all new hinges in this. Change the hinges out, put these type in. That's a bit better. I've got to sort out the back now. Put some nice piece of wood in there with some carpet fastened to it to just tidy it up. Then I got that corner to sort out. First thing, I think I'm going to get this piece of wood for there now. Well, just get that finished up now and get it back in the van. Well, that's all stained up and finished. So it looks a lot tidier. All the piece of the wood in, that piece I made earlier is in the back. I've done the corner. So now all I've got to do is sort out a catch now, or a bar. Something to fasten that up there. So when we lift the lid up, it'll stay up. So that's my next job, so we'll do that now. Right, a 3D printed little bracket to go there. Now when you lift this up, clip that up there, that holds the lid up, and you can change the bag easy enough. When I want to let the lid back down, just clip it up and down, all sorted that. And then how these work, all the smells get sucked up this tube, which goes out at the top. Number 2's into a bag there, and then you got this urine pipe, which takes all the urine down to a tank down the bottom. So that's all works. Right, that's it for this video. I'll put a link in the description for all the 3D printed parts that I've done in this video. Coming next, I'm going to be putting the tank in and sorting all that out, so that'll probably be on another video. But that's it for this, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.